Hello everyone, I'm Harry.
And I'm Kevin from grade 11. Today, we're going to introduce our app called Qirui Pay, a digitalized token app used for Service Day on November 18th, 2023.
Our system is safer, smarter, and more convenient than the previous system. Simply scan a code to pay. No need to spend ages counting tokens anymore. Also, since it's digital, no tokens will be destroyed, lost, or duplicated. Last year, our system helped raise 30% more in funds than before.
First, you can download Qirui Pay from Apple App Store by searching Qirui Pay and click download. If you use an Android device, please visit our website or use the direct link qiruipay.student.isf.edu.hk/app.apk to download Qirui Pay for Android.
If you're a parent, please follow the guidelines shown here.
For students in secondary school, please scan your student ID card to activate. For parents with children in primary school only, scan the student ID of one of your children. Parents with children in secondary school only, please use your child's account. And for parents with children in both primary and secondary school, please scan the student ID card of one of your children in primary school.
Please place your student ID on a well-lit flat surface and put the camera directly on top. Try adjusting the distance if it's not scanning. Fill in your name and password when you register. If successful, you should be directed back to the beginning page.
Use your student ID as the login username, and use the password you set when you register your account. If you forget your password, please contact us. After the first time you log in, if you check the Remember Me box below, you will be able to log in with one click the next time.
Once you log in, you can see the home page. Click this button to pay tokens to other people. And click this to receive tokens from other users. Click this to check your transaction history. Click this button to see the ranking of all the stalls in the event.
You can also click on individual stall names to view more details about that stall. For example, you can see the description, image, and even their website. To pay a stall, first click the Pay button, then click Scan to scan the stall's QR code. Make sure you're scanning the correct code. If the code is not scanning, try adjusting the distance and angle. Once it scans, choose the amount of tokens you want to pay. Click Confirm and send the tokens. Then go to home screen to pay again. Click History to view your past transactions. You can see the amount of tokens you have paid and charged, and who you paid or charged to and from.
Charge tokens by showing your student ID to the admin. Pay the amount of tokens you want to charge using your octopus. The admin will add the number of tokens into your account.
You can click the profile button on top right corner, then click Change Password. Input your old password and new password. Click Confirm, and then open the app again to see the password take effect. For parents who wish to pre-purchase tokens, this service is available starting 2 weeks prior to Service Day at Charles Cowell Square right here, every day from 3:20 to 3:45 p.m. For pre-ordering tokens, please remember to bring your student ID card, link to your Qirui Pay account, and also remember to bring your octopus card. Finally, if you have any issues using Qirui Pay, please contact us through these email addresses. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope you have a pleasant experience using Qirui Pay for Jam Day 2023.